all of you doing great? Well, we are in the next series of this crypto zero to hero explanation videos. And basically, in this video, we are going to talk about how do you buy the first cryptocurrency, or probably how do you buy the cryptocurrency, any of the crypto, and then how do you choose the safest exchange to buy. The reason that we are talking about is one of the most important thing is to choose the right exchange. If you land up onto the wrong exchange, because here you are talking about making long-term money, right? When you're making the long-term money, you want to be safe and secure in all sort of environment. Whether there is a bearish time, whether there is a bad time, good time, right? The exchange should be safe and secure. Your money should be safe and secure. Otherwise, what is the point of actually uh, getting into the crypto by spending your money? Now, having said that, what are the things, first of all, you need to be looking for within an exchange? That is an important thing that we all need to understand and realize. So, choosing exchange is one of the most important aspect uh, as per our securities tied with the investment. That means, let's say somebody has converted $1,000 into $1,000,000 into the crypto exchange or into any of the cryptocurrency, but if, let's say, the exchange turns out to be not good, or the fraud, or probably exchange got liquidated, I mean, what is the point whether you made money or not? You would not be able to get the money. So you need to be looking for the most reputed and most recognized exchange in the world. The whole world knows about it, especially the whole crypto world. Now you also need to be thinking the stress test, like in the event of crisis, who is the most reliable exchange amongst all, the biggest exchange among all, where the stakes are really high. We are talking like they have a billions and billions of dollars, extra dollars, to even lend out to other people, not just for them, for their own self. Even if they lose tens of billions of dollars, it should not affect them. Those kind of exchanges, you need to be there. You need to be buying your crypto on. Their reputation is far more important than the money that they make. Some of the times the small exchanges, like, they promise all the things and stuff, but when things go wrong, probably, let's say, some of the transaction has been uh, falsely done, or like some sort of issue arise, those little exchanges will be behaving in a petty way just to safeguard their money. Like, they think about their own profit, but the big exchange, they think about their reputation far more than the money that they make. So they would prefer losing some money to the customers rather than losing the reputation. Then we need to see whether they have the great record, and then we sign up and register for free. Like, they should not be anything, okay, you only deposit right away and that's when you will be able to create account. Those should not be the criteria. So which exchange satisfies all these things? And the biggest and the best exchange out there, without a doubt, the Binance. They have the BNB token that reached like $100 billion in market capitalization itself. Those are the funds, like, people actually investing into it. They have the highest volume in the history. That means they make the maximum revenue that is being generated amongst all the exchanges. During the bear depths of the bear market, when a lot of exchanges were liquidating, a lot of platforms were liquidating, like they were going bankrupt, Binance was actually lending out money to the other exchanges. So this is like the Bitcoin amongst the exchanges. So you would want to be at the Binance, the best of them. Now, you need to sign up for Binance. That should be the next step. Very, very easy. Hardly it'll take 30 to 50 seconds. I have left a QR code onto the screen at the left side. So if you scan that QR code, you'll be directly landing onto the registration page of Binance, and that's a referral link. You will be getting a lot of extra bonuses. You sign up with that link. If you do not want to use the QR code, somewhere around there will be, within the description, the link to sign up for the Binance. You sign up for the Binance and you get a lot of extra bonuses even without depositing the money. And once you deposit, you consistently keep on getting the benefit as a new user by signing up onto the best exchange. You just signed up, and the next thing is, like, you have signed up completely free, and then you log in into your account, and then you can choose any of the crypto to buy. And then, obviously, last step, I'm going to show you how do you actually deposit onto the respective exchange. So that this will be the last step, how to deposit money onto the exchange. So just to make it clear and simple, so the moment You go to just after signing up, you go to Binance.com, you click on login, and this is my login dashboard. Now, how these are the cryptocurrencies, any of them I want to buy, I can buy. I click on markets, and I can just simply scroll which are the cryptos available. And as you can see, a lot of crypto, like this is the Bitcoin, this is Ethereum, this is the stable coin USDT, and so much of the coins on and off. So here I'm just scrolling via like which coin lost the maximum amount of value amongst all, and then which coin gained maximum amount of value. All these things are there. But let's say as a start, probably you want to buy probably Bitcoin, right? Or let's say you want to buy this Compound. This is a good coin, and a lot of coins like that's a completely different altogether field. But just to show you how do you purchase it, so you just click onto trade. So here you have the respective BUSD, like comps slash BUSD. So you need to be normally like com slash USDT. This is like different stable coins. The BUSD is the Binance innate stable coin, but you do not need to worry about all that thing. Here is the price, like this is the price going on 5.29, 5.35, right? And then whatever balance, let's say somebody is having $500, it will be reflected over here, available balance $500. You then put your complete $500 or whatever amount that you want, you will be getting this much compound at this price. You want to purchase it at a lower price, you click somewhere lower. So let's say I want to purchase it at 556.02 at this price. I put my respective balance, whatever amount that I want, and I click buy, and I happen to purchase it. Like it will be like the moment the price reaches at this level, it will be purchased. And probably let's say I want to buy at this price, I want to buy immediately, I just click onto any of the point, I can buy it. And then this is recommended, like you choose the price, which price you want to buy. This is the market buy. This is like just go and buy at any price the market gives. So you do not want to buy this way. Why? Because let's say you are spending any amount of money and then probably the price keeps on rising. Why? Because the sellers are not there. So you want to probably purchase at some point where you can get the maximum benefit. Now, having said that, uh, that's it, guys. This is the only step that you need to do. You purchase any of the currency, and then you want to change something, like okay, you want to buy, let's say, Solana. You type in SOL. This is the Solana coin, and you click onto it, and it will open the Solana coin. I can purchase similarly the Solana. So this is as simple as this, guys. Now, last but not the least step, as I told you, how do you deposit the money? I mean, this is the only thing left, right? Everything is done. You go to this thing, Binance homepage, or probably even from there you could have bought, but I'm just to like just go to homepage to understand like probably how do you make everything easy. So as you can see, this is the link, buy crypto. When you click on buy, I mean, the buy crypto is like you have a lot of ways of purchasing the respective cryptocurrency. Any of the cryptocurrency that you want, you have a lot of ways. You can have bank deposit directly. You want to deposit money into the bank. You want to buy via the credit or debit card. You directly sign up, like utilize your debit or credit card, and you purchase the respective cryptocurrency. What I personally use is this one, the P2P trading, and I'm going to show you that. I mean, obviously, buy via the credit card is easy, bank deposit is easy. This one is P2P, where what happens, it is simply like you are purchasing from your fellow mate, like any of the person who's on to Binance, he's selling the respective cryptocurrency and he resides in your country, and you can purchase from him. So it is very easy, guys. Simply what happens, let's say you want to purchase 100 USDT. So what do? You click over here, choose any of the person you want to purchase from, and then you just simply send him the respective money offline. I mean, whichever way that he wants, like via wire transfer, via whichever way that he wants. And then the moment that you send it, you click over here that yes, I have sent it, and then immediately they are going to release the respective amount. The moment that they release amount, it will be reflected in your balance. You can just go to markets and proceed buying the respective coin. Now, to give you an example, this is, let's say, this is the Indian currency. This is INR, and for the Indian people, so this is the rate that they are selling. 1 USDT for 84 rupees, 84 INR. This one 84.6 INR, right? And then he's also mentioning this is the amount of money that he's having already. And then he's also mentioning what is the mode of payment that he's accepting. Like some people are writing IMPS, this is the Indian mode of payments, all these things, bank transfer, IMPS. Let's say I wanted to have probably this is the rate from this guy I wanted to have, and he is mentioning the limit like minimum 1 lakh rupees to this much rupees. So probably let's say, I mean, this guy I want to have 80,000, like $1,000 of USDT I want to buy, and this is the payment method I'm okay with. So what I'll do, let's say 80,000 rupees I want to buy. I click on buy USDT, and then I manually via the IMPS method at the next page it will show me. I'll manually transfer him the respective money in my local currency, local country, and then I click I have transferred the money. He will verify it, and then he'll release the respective $1,000 into my wallet. And this is highly secure, guys. Like it is not like nobody can trick you, because this amount is held by Binance. So you can raise the dispute if the other person is saying, okay, I have not received the money. You have the proof, right? With your screenshot, you said, I mean, I'm talking about in terms of crisis situation, but never the crisis happen. I've done it like hundreds of times. Why? So this is as simple as this, guys. At the same time, you should also try not to, I mean, you should obviously not cheat. Like you should not be saying, okay, you click, I have transferred the money, while you have not transferred the money, because at that time he will be showing the proof to Binance. So it's very safe, and that's it. And you go and purchase your respective cryptocurrency. So this is how easy it is. Again, if you have not signed up, the QR code link is at the left side of the screen. Or if you do not want to use the QR code, somewhere in the description there is a link. You click onto that link, you get a special bonus. In fact, some of the balance you'll be getting USDT amount sign up bonuses. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope you found it helpful. And then in the next series of video, we'll be moving with far advanced things related with the crypto. So make sure you watch it. And till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.